of the children is 2 to 10 years. So factors, predisposing factors are genetically Brown syndrome and Franklin syndrome, ataxia, Bloom syndrome, environmentally variation, drugs, paternal smoking, everything. This also you know about it. Coming to the symptoms, majority of patients say complain. Commonest symptom is 90% of patients are fatigue, joint pains, fever, weight loss, abnormal masses, purpura, and other hemorrhages. In other cases, also splenomegaly, lymphadenopathy, and hepatomegaly, sternal tenderness, purpura. These are already we know about everything. Commonest investigations are CBP, peripheral space study, circulating blood, bone marrow aspiration, and final result of diagnosis. Criteria of diagnosis is bone marrow or peripheral space showing at least 30% of bloods. Then only we can diagnose this condition as leukemia. Coming to the case, a male patient, retired IAS officer, aged about 66 years, he came with presenting complaints of anemia, discoloration of time, swelling of lungs, unfeed, swelling of glands in neck, and axillary region from 8 months. One day I received a message from IAS officer. Dr. Garu, I am sending one report to you. Findings are alarming, please check it. Okay, I have that report also. Of course, alarming findings are CBP. Most of the blashes are 70%, but blashes are there. Then I advised him, please better to consult oncologist. Then he consulted oncologist at Apollo Hospital. They evaluated everything in detail. Finally, they diagnosed acute lymphoblastic leukemia. When he undergone investigations, he noticed abnormalities in complete blood picture. On further investigations, bone marrow smear also, they diagnosed acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Then he consulted allopathic physician as well. Then they suggested chemotherapy and bone marrow transplantation. He took 2 sessions of chemotherapy and stopped due to side effects like loss of appetite, weakness, hair loss, and other complications also. He is not willing to take allopathic treatment. Again, he consulted me. Dr. Garu, you are a good person, please leave me. I don't want to go allopathic treatment. After staples of allopathic treatment, he gradually developed recurrent fever, increase of swelling in the legs, unfeed, loss of weight, weakness, body pains. Slowly he developed indigestion, burning and epigastric lesion, heart bowels. Blackness, discoloration of tongue, and they diagnosed as oral candidiasis. The posthumously also non-diabetic, using allopathy as asymptomatic. History of headaches and stress using homeopathy during episode. Families, there is no relevant complaints of cancer problems. Father is diabetic, hypertensive, died due to myocardial infection. Coming to the personal history, appetite good. First, drinks large quantities of frequently, prefer warm water and food. Desires nothing specific, powers regular and soft. Urine also normal. Sweat more on face while eating spicy things. Sleep good, lies on the right side. Dreams of fire and fried food is also good. And this is the case history of that patient. Ailments mainly due to disappointment due to personal issues. And then after the ailment, he joined in politics. So he contested as a MLA in Kuppam against Chandrababu Naidu. Due to the stress, he developed frustration, everything. One day, personally, he developed a lot of issues like because of disappointment, the stress levels, what to do, everything that made him, and this leads to this problem. So commonly here, commonest cause is disappointment only. Generally, my prescription based on pathological prescriptions only. I am not bothered about this classical homeopathy. So on the basis of pathology only, I prescribed natrum without hypertension. Because on Boyd Materia Medica, any alterations in the blood causes anemia, leukocytosis. So on that basis of drug only I prescribed Diatromol. Then case followed by Asnicol because of some symptomatic treatment only on Calipos. Even I prescribed Ignitia Marathis also in this issue. In between pubertum as interpenetrate. Because if you go for reparation also, in synthesis repetitive, leukocytosis pubertum is the indicated thing. Ailments from during chemotherapy after Calipos also indicated here. So I prescribed same thing there also. Just repertory chart is there, na? So if you just let us focus on repertory chart. My industry is that person is a very intelligent person, dynamic person. Ailments from due to disappointment. So remaining complete as well same thing. On the basis of the repertory, I selected Natromol. Fifth box report. Just you find out. Then I had to glucose only. Blood cells are 70% of blood cells are there. 11 marks.
Mike.
The blood cells are 75% are there. Here.
Keep Mike.
Blood cells are 70% blood cells are there. Your platelets also 30,000 are there. So then I started Natromol in this case, first prescription. After May, slowly improvement also there in these cases. 16th June, this also showing same report, favorable report only, normocytic with the report also indicates same thing only here. Even W is also favorable, this is there. 3rd August report also same thing only. September last month report too. That is also showing good prognosis. October, this is oral care. October report showing normal state report. This is an oral care analysis. In this case, at that time I gave Arsenicol. So that also responded. So,
Hello,
feedback of
my
the
name
patient.
is Chandramouli and I belong to Indian Administrative Service. IAS is the later version of ICS under the British. What used to be Indian Civil Service under the British after independence has become Indian Administrative Service, IAS. I belong to that service, the most regarded, respected service in Indian administration. I live in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. I was afflicted with cancer, acute leukemia, and I was warned not to waste any time and to take treatment immediately. I had known Dr. Varanasi Madhu during the last 2 decades, and I had relied on him for curing many health issues and diseases. Therefore, even for this, I had to approach him, show him the reports, and start medication. He had been extraordinarily helpful in identifying avoiding the problems and giving the appropriate medicine. There were many issues related to oral candidiasis, swelling of the teeth, and infection related, indigestion, constipation, etc. Every one of them had the benefit of Dr. Madhu Varanasi's attention. And today, I am what I am is because of his extraordinary care, attention, and the medicines he had given me. Therefore, my glass levels are at 0. Eosinophils which used to get 21 has come down to 2. Platelets which were at 40,000 only have now gone up to 320,000. And various other benefits. This is March I was identified as a self-afflicted patient. In the last, this has been recorded in the month of November. And during the last 8 months, I have seen a lot of improvement and I'm comfortable. I do my routine yoga. I go for a walk. My appetite is very good. My other activities, attending to my writing work or reading, spending time with family members. I play golf now back. And my normal life style is rest. I